Andra! But what that little picnic they doing, man? You better hurry up and come bathe before night come down. Cause if more night come down and more water go cold.
Me can't find me rag,
What
mama.
do you mean look for your rag? No, you same rag where you use bathe every day. So why if you there? You better hurry up and come. Because anytime you smell soap, all of a sudden you get terminal diagnosis. Lord, the water cold. Oh, yeah. Oh, gosh, the water cold. Me nah beard. This water too cold.
Then Andra, you no done beard?
Yes, mama. Me a beard. Me almost done. Me can't beard. This water ya too cold. Too cold for me, man. Too cold. Not even soap up your rub good.
And make sure say you know hope they wipe up or wash up. Because last night me noticed when me send you out there to go bathe, you never bathe. When me look on you in bed last night, your foot bottom them black like a the dirt up a ground.
Yes, mama, me done. Me done. Water cool. Water cool. Water cool. Yes, me done.